Yeah, that's so well said. So well said. And you know what? I'm gonna just say one more thing about this. I'm actually gonna ask you another question about this. So a lot of people say, "Hey, you work for the government. Like, what? You gave up your pension? You gave up, these benefits that come with it?" And because I know people personally that are like, "Tech is cool, but I'm not giving up these benefits. I have 10 years or
Hmm.
whatever amount of
Right.
years working for the government." Can you talk about why you decided to make that leap, even though you were possibly gonna receive some benefits from the government?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I definitely was gonna receive some benefits from the government, but so again, as a part of my research, I realized, like, for one, tech is the underlying foundation in everything we do. What we're doing right now via this video, technology. Our phones, technology. These AirPods, technology. So, and that extends to the government. The underlying foundation, everything is technology. We couldn't run our software without technology. So, um, I was like, okay, I know technology is always going to be around, meaning there's always going to be positions around, despite economic conditions. And that's not to downplay, our current the current economic climate. Um, but yeah. So, um, it's actually, sorry, so I lost my train of thought here.
Hey, we're having a
Um,
conversation. We're all good.
yeah. So no. So yes. I'm sorry. So yeah. So uh, like this is why I boiled it down to when I made the leap, and knowing that I was going to give up all of these, I guess, benefits and stuff. I'm like, okay, again, so I knew where I wanted to be financially, and I knew that the government, though they pay well, it would take me a lot longer to get to my financial goals. But not only that, I was like, okay, I know plenty of entrepreneurs personally who are set up just as well, or if, and some even better than government workers. So I'm like, in my mind, I'm like, okay, like if if I talk to the right people, whether it be a wealth planner or anyone along those lines, like, I can still set myself up to have a level of freedom without having to put in 20-25 years. And personally, for me, I was like, you know what, to some extent, I kind of felt like it was a trap. It was a trap for me to have that mindset of, okay, like, you have to be in the government because your parents told you, like, hey, you want to get this good government job, like,
Yeah.
this isn't going anywhere. But again, when I saw, like, what else was out there, I'm like, no, this is holding me back. Like, I know who I am as an individual. Like, I know, like my brain runs a million miles an hour. Part of the reason why I'm called the squirrel guy. But I'm like, you know what, the government, um as good as it is, and what it can offer, just isn't for me, and it's not meeting my personal goals at this current point in my life. So I made that jump, and it's been the best decision, honestly, one of the best decisions in my life.
Thank you for watching. If this meant a lot to you, I want to encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Fact here, about 77.3% of viewers that actually watch don't subscribe and have not subscribed to this channel. Wow, that's mind blowing. So if you found value in this, go ahead and subscribe right here. Also, I would say you want to check out this video over here about why you should be a tech content creator, or this video over here, why because it has Q&A questions that you may be looking the answers to. So go ahead, click, and I'll see you on the other side.